Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for a destination in the Trivago application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the Stays button at the bottom of the page on the left. So first you have to select a destination. As you can see, you can search for your own, but you can also scroll through the popular destinations. So now I'm selecting Paris, and then you have to select the dates of your stay. And then the application will find the best deals for you according to your searches. And if you happen to like one of them, then just click on that and you can find all the prices and the information on the stay. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.